These days, I am creating a wood carving.
I see. What are you carving?
I want to make an altar.
Okay. What type of wood is this?
In Tibetan, we call it jarkar, white poplar.
Jarkar?
Yes.
Is it white poplar?
Yes, it's white poplar. We have two kinds of poplar wood, namely white poplar and black poplar wood. Black poplar wood is not good material for carving. The reason is that the black poplar wood is very hard and affects the quality of the carving. And it's also vulnerable to deformation. However, the white poplar wood is easy to work on because of its softness. Although there are other woods like pine, generally speaking, they are not considered good materials for carving. This one is considered a better choice. Generally, you will find it everywhere in our Tibetan area. Yes, the tree grows in every part of the country. However, there are different names for it because each region has its own dialect. Some call it Dejia, others call it Dikak. In Lesa dialect, we call it Jarkar and Jarnak. We have Tripa. Tripa wood is generally very hard, and it is used for making high-end carvings. Generally speaking, this type of wood is the most commonly used material. Yes, it is called tak pang. Yes, sir. We do use it. However, generally speaking, white poplar wood is more popular. Before carving, you need to prepare a sketch of design on a piece of paper like this. And then you create the design on the paper while making sure that the size is appropriate. This type of paper with dark texture is good for punching holes in the drawing. Other paper like this white one. This one is for making the altar railing. First, I created the design with this ink pen. Like this. First, create the design like this. Then you have to trace the design. I punched holes on it with a needle. Place a towel beneath it so that it is soft. I have one needle somewhere around here. Here it is. Like this, you have to punch holes. You punch holes on the outline of the entire sketch. I have a completed one here. This one is an example of a completed one. This is a traditional Tibetan practice since ancient time. To tell you the reason, it is like this. For example, this design is for creating fences for the altar on its left and right sides, and it helps that both exact. If I draw it by hand, there will be some minor differences. Yes. Time-wise, it makes the job much easier. After you finished creating the sketch, you can reuse it many times. Correct. And you trace design by placing it like this. That's right. It is an ancient Tibetan solution.